Merla sued Danilo for sum of money. According to Merla, summons was served upon Danilo's residence as evidenced by the signature of Danilo's housemaid. The summons required Danilo to file an answer in court within 15 days from receipt thereof. After a month, Danilo received a copy of an order from the court declaring him in default. Danilo is asking what recourse he has when he did not even know that a summons was served directing him to file an answer. Danilo, for purposes of suggesting of what you may discuss with your lawyer of your choice, you may want to question whether summons was validly served upon your person. From your story, it was clear that the summons was served on your housemaid. Our laws on civil procedure requires that summons should be personally served on the person of the defendant. It was not shown that efforts have been exerted to serve the same on you, and such attempt has failed despite due diligence. Studying this point may give you the chance to be able to file an answer in defense of yourself before the court. Remember that our opinion is based solely on the information you provided us and does not bind you in any way. You are free to consult your own lawyer on legal matters that affect you. Thank you for your continued trust in People's Television. Email us at ptv4newscenter@gmail.com. This is Attorney JJ Jimeno Atienza for the Rule of Law.